Ayan, hello guys. So ito yung pinakang entrance ng Disneyland. Ganda guys, oh. Taas, oh. Ganda. Pakalamig pa rin. Ayan si Ma'am Jane. Hinao. Ganda guys, oh. Yan guys, oh. Entrance. Yan, papasok na kami. Yan, one by one daw guys. Yan, excited lang. Pasok na kami. Sorry. Ay, bawal? It's not okay. It's just only tripod for picture taking only.